A very good evening to you. I'm Dwayne Burbick with your Business Day. The Bank of Jamaica says it will make 10 million US dollars available for sale in its first official auction under its new foreign exchange trading mechanism. The new mechanism, which is dubbed BFEXIT, will formally roll out this Wednesday and will be used to help determine the exchange rate. To do that, the Bank of Jamaica will be selling US dollars in the auction every Wednesday. It starts with $10 million this week and will sell the same amount every Wednesday until August 16. The BOJ, however, reserves the right to vary the amount it sells and will also purchase foreign currency as necessary to maintain a smooth market. In the meantime, the Jamaican dollar is now selling for $128.21. The Canadian dollar is at $103.11. The pound sterling costs $165.90, while the euro is going for $148.20. Stocks ended mostly higher today, pushing the main market up more than 569 points. The junior market also gained, going up 32 points. The stocks posting gains today included Caribbean Cream, ISP Finance, Jetcon, Lasco Financial, Proven Investments, Radio Jamaica, and Seprod. On the losing end were Berger Paints, Carb Cement, the Cayley Group, the NCB Financial Group, Scotia Investments, and T-Tech. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.